Different types of onions and their benefits. Onions are among the most widely used vegetables in cooking, adding flavor and depth to countless dishes. Beyond taste, they are also packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and health-promoting compounds. Understanding the different types of onions and their benefits can help you make the best choice for both flavor and wellness. 1. Yellow onions, the most common variety with a strong flavor that mellows into sweetness when cooked. Benefit: high in quercetin, which supports heart health and lowers inflammation. 2. Red onions, known for their vibrant purple skin and sharp taste, often eaten raw in salads and sandwiches. Benefit: rich in anthocyanins, which improve cardiovascular function and protect cells from damage. 3. White onions, milder and slightly sweeter than yellow onions, popular in Mexican cuisine. Benefit: contain sulfur compounds that aid detoxification and strengthen immunity. 4. Sweet onions, varieties like Vidalia are gentle in flavor with low sulfur, best eaten raw or lightly cooked. Benefit: hydrating due to high water content and packed with antioxidants. 5. Shallots, small, with a delicate mix of onion and garlic flavor, perfect for sauces and dressings. Benefit: loaded with flavonoids that regulate blood sugar and reduce oxidative stress. 6. Green onions, scallions, slender with edible stalks, offering a fresh, grassy taste. Benefit: excellent source of vitamin K for bone strength and eye health. 7. Leeks, mild and aromatic, commonly used in soups and stews. Benefit: provide prebiotic fiber to improve gut health and digestion. 8. Pearl onions, tiny, sweet onions often used in pickling or garnishes. Benefit: high in vitamin C, supporting strong immunity and healthy skin. 9. Spring onions, similar to scallions but with a larger bulb and stronger flavor. Benefit: rich in potassium, essential for nerve and muscle function. Onions are not just kitchen essentials but also nutritional powerhouses. By adding different onion varieties to your meals, you enhance taste while also reaping numerous health benefits. Exploring the different types of onions and their benefits ensures a flavorful diet that also supports long-term wellness. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.